Sri Vinayaka Group welcomes you. We have been continuously working in the commercial and residential sectors of North India for the last 23 years. So far we have completed 11 successful projects, developed more than 8 lakh square feet area, and currently have more than 4 lakh square feet under construction. Today we have the trust of more than 5,000 satisfied customers and the association with more than 50 reputed brands. Our mission is to deliver projects on time, with high quality and satisfaction. Chairman Mr. Ankur Mittal clearly states that we have never compromised on quality and will never do so. Our management team comprises of directors Mr. Neeraj Mittal, Mr. Anuj Mittal, along with a committed team of experienced architects, engineers, accountants, consultants and associates. Greater Noida, which is one of the fastest growing cities in the country today, has been the main focus of our operations. Its excellent connectivity to Yamuna Expressway, Eastern Peripheral Highway, Noida Expressway, International Airport and Film City makes it a prime location for investment. Sri Vinayaka Group started in 2015 with Auto Solutions, which grew into a successful industrial unit at Site 4. 2016 saw the delivery of Vinayaka Plaza, located at Ansal Golf Links 1, Greater Noida and housing prestigious brands like Freshly, Indian Bank and Axis Bank. 2017 saw the delivery of Alpha Plaza in the heart of Alpha 1, whose connectivity and visibility made it a commercial hit. Then came Pita Plaza in 2018, which offers a flexible space for both retail and office space, housing brands like Reliance Smart, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank and others. 2019 saw the construction of SVG Swern Plaza in Swern Nagari, which continues to be a hotspot for premium businesses. Subsequently, in 2020, we delivered a housing project SVG Heights in Sector P3, Greater Noida. Our aim was to provide affordable and high-quality housing to the people while providing them the benefits of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. In 2021, we delivered another important industrial project in Ecotech 12. In 2022, we entered this segment with our residential project, SVG Residency, which is a perfect combination of both comfort and connectivity. After this, in 2023, SVG Galleria was delivered in Sector 131, Noida, which is designed as per modern lifestyle and next-generation commercial needs. In 2024, we delivered our most luxurious project ever, India Expo Plaza, located at the most prime location in Greater Noida. The project is located in close proximity to Knowledge Park to Metro Station, India Expo Mart and Galgoshias College, and offers branded showrooms, retail stores, restaurants, fitness centers as well as metro-connected office spaces. Our dream project in 2025, SVG Town Square 1, is under construction in Alpha 2, which is set to become a major lifestyle, business and entertainment hub of Greater Noida. Sri Vinayaka Group doesn't just build buildings, we shape dreams. Your trust is our greatest strength. ***Sri Vinayaka Group, on time, every time.